Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I get a lot of customers ask me how to export tube data from VTube into Excel files. So I'm going to take you through this quick tutorial on the different ways you can do that inside VTube. So let's get started. First, I'm going to import a part and then build the parametric data for that part. Now here's the first way you can export to Excel, and that is go into the Reports menu and choose a template to display. Go to Export to File, and then click on Save to Excel File and save an XLS file. And VTube will automatically load Excel on your system. And then you can manipulate that file because it has live data in it. For example, you can move the graphic images around and then move this data around any way you want inside Excel. Now let me show you the second way that you can export to Excel. The second way is to right-click on the grid that you want to copy and then copy all of the data into the clipboard. Load Excel and paste that information into Excel like this. You can see that I'm first pasting in the XYZ coordinates, and now I'm going to copy the LRA grid and then paste it into Excel. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at support@advancedtubular.com. I'll be happy to take your questions. Have a great day.